everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make きゅうりとわかめの酢の物. It's very easy cucumber salad that you can whip up in no time. It's so light and refreshing, and it can go well with any main. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Sunomono, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cucumbers, Japanese or English or Persian cucumbers with thin skin. Some crab sticks, it's about 100 grams. 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of dried Wakame seaweed, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's rehydrate Wakame seaweed. It's a small bit when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it expands. So make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. So prepare plenty of water, just random amount. Put Wakame seaweed and leave for 10 minutes. Now, I'm slicing cucumbers using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife. Cut the end off. And just make thin slices, like paper thin. Two cucumbers, all sliced into paper-thin slices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it, and leave for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the dressing. 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of hondashi. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. Super easy. Wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated, and cucumber is roasted. So let's put them into the bowl of dressing as you squeeze it really well to remove all the excess moisture. Take some and squeeze. Same for the cucumber. Take some and squeeze. and crab sticks. Just stir it using your hand and add to the bowl. You can of course use real crab meat instead of crab sticks. Add sesame seeds. Mix them all together. And it's done! Super easy! Let's serve in the bowl. And きゅうりとわかめのサラダ is ready to go! Time for the tasting! Iただきます。It's so light and refreshing. I like to pair it with deep fried meat because it refreshes my palate. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Sunomono is a sign, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Sunomono is very light and healthy, so I think it's okay to have some fried food for the main. Let's have tamago korokke, Japanese egg croquette here. Plain rice here, tofu and okra miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.